Are you looking for the best wireless Ethernet bridges in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wireless Ethernet bridges that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. qwne CPE 5450 Wireless Bridge Kit. With a configuration range of up to 3 kilometers away, this is a reliable Ethernet bridge for large areas that may be in the office. The Ethernet Bridge Kit has quality materials crafting ideal for both indoor and outdoor areas. Another feature that makes this a reliable radio Ethernet bridge is the wireless style. You don't need to hustle looking for a long cable for connection since this Ethernet bridge is wireless. So, you just need to plug and begin to use. Setting up this kit is quite easy since it comes already pre-configured. Also, it is compatible with the FCC Part 15E for convenience when connecting. This Ethernet bridge is versatile in use and you can use it in the place of CCTVs to monitor security in your home or business area. Number 4. qwfi 2-pack 300 megabits per second Wireless Outdoor CPE Kit. If you are looking for an Ethernet bridge that you can set up outdoors, I recommend this model. The Ethernet Bridge Kit has a reliable range reach of up to 1 kilometer, which is quite convenient. The kit has an LED display that displays the Wi-Fi connection for efficient configuration to the PtMP connection, AP and bridge operation mode. Setting up this wireless Ethernet bridge is quite easy and it has the PtMP connection which meets the majority of Wi-Fi connection needs. Considering this Ethernet bridge is suitable for outdoors, it has quality materials crafting and waterproof casing to prevent it from water damages. Also, it can comfortably survive in areas with a temperature range of -30-55 operating temperatures, and -40-70 storage temperatures. Number 3. Netgear Wi-Fi Mesh Range Extender EX6150. Even if this bridge kit has a compact size, rest assured that can cover a space of up to 1200 square meter. The bridge has dual bands for signal booster and repeater that functions at a high speed of 1200 megabits per second. So, if you need a bridge to disperse Wi-Fi in your room for quick streaming and browsing when working, this Ethernet bridge is the best choice. It is a great choice for homes with multiple individuals since it can serve up to 20 people using different devices such as smartphones, computers, and CCTV cameras among others. Another feature that stands out on this Ethernet bridge is the universal compatibility. You can use this bridge with any wireless router, gateway, cable modem or Wi-Fi router. Number 2. TP-Link 5 GHz N300 Long-Range Outdoor CPE for PTP and PtMP transmission. No need to overspend when acquiring an Ethernet bridge for improving transmission in your home since this model from TP_Link may work for you. It retails at less than $50 and is reputable for delivering the best transmission waves in a room. Unlike other models, this bridge is adjustable in transmission power that ranges from 0 to 27 dBm, 500 milliwatts, making it a great choice for large offices or homes. You can optimize this bridge to transmit an internet connection to a distance of up to 15 kilometers away, as long the devices are point-to-point paired or point-to-multiple points paired. The kit has the time division multiple access that boosts its performance throughout. Number 1. JOOWINAC1200 Outdoor Wireless Access Point High Power. Whether you want to use this Ethernet bridge indoors or outdoors, it is a great choice as the materials are strong to withstand the outdoor climates. The bridge kit is recommendable for people who need a Wi-Fi extender, maybe when watching movies on outdoors or during house parties to stream movies and music. The transmission speed on this kit is reliable as it works at 300 megabits per second at 2.5G and around 867 megabits per second at 5G, which is super faster than most standard Ethernet bridge kits.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.